Hey everybody, welcome back to, oh crap, I don't know what to call my channel anymore. I'm not in the high country. This is a test video. Something super simple, we whipped together at my house. Stick around. I think you're gonna like this kibasi and Coke. You won't believe how easy it is. Here you go, super simple, 2 ingredients. 3 if you like onion. Sausage, Coke, onion. Good to go. Let's hit the cutting board. All right, time to cut up the onion. Done. Now, we get to cut up the sausage. Boom! All right, now, all we gotta do is start throwing everything in the pot. Throw our sausage in there. Don't you just love the sound of that sizzle? And once you get that in there, just give it a little stir. Then take your onions, drop them in. Now, take your whole bottle of Coke. This is a 2-liter bottle. You're sitting there thinking, yeah, that's a lot of Coke. Well, you know what? Yeah, it's a lot of Coke. This stuff is not exactly healthy for you. Now, once you get all this poured in here, we're going to let this come up to a boil. Then we're going to simmer it down until the Coke becomes a nice, gelatinous, sticky, gooey, yummy, sweet goodness. So we'll check back as this comes along. All right, now we got this boiling really good. Just make sure you grab yourself a spoon every now and again. Give it a little bit of a stir. And you can really smell them onions. But we're just going to let this boil away. Reduce it down till it's a nice, thick, syrupy glaze. And that's when you know it's done. So we'll keep checking back on this as we go along. All right, we're halfway through. Just make sure you give it a stir every now and again. Nothing's sticking. Smells wonderful. Really smell that onion cooking in there, so just let this go and we'll come right back. As you can tell, it's starting to get thicken up, and it's reduced by about 2/3, so it's just about there. Just keep an eye on it and watch the magic happen. Sauce is really starting to thick up, so this is when you really got to watch it. Make sure you don't start burning to the bottom of the pan, because this is going to get real sticky here real quick.
As you can tell, this is really starting to thicken up just a little bit. It's only got a couple more minutes.
See how this sauce is really starting to thicken up now. Just a little bit longer, probably about another minute or 2. Now you can see when I scrape the spoon on the bottom of the pan, it takes just a second for it to fill in behind, so almost there. And that's looking just about right. Gravy's nice and thick. Sausage is very well cooked. The onion's about disappeared. So get this shut off. because I think this here is definitely done. We'll get this plated up. We'll give it a taste test. Pretty sure everybody's going to dig this. Oh yeah, look how thick that's getting. And it's going to thicken just a little bit more as it sits. So yeah, this is definitely done. So let's get it plated up. Now that this stuff's done, when you go to plate it up, go ahead and use mashed potatoes, rice, just a couple spoonfuls of this. Make sure you get some of that gravy on there. Just like that. Now that look good? Let's go give it a try. All right, let's give this killbasa and coke a try. I serve mine over roasted garlic mashed potatoes. You can make them fresh, heck, you can get them right out of the package. I mean, well, down the hatch, here it goes. Oh, that garlic hits you right up front. Get the real super sweet from the coke. Get that nice meaty flavor from all that kielbasa. Tell you what, guys, you really got to try this out. It's worth it. Yeah, it's not healthy, but hey, can't live forever, and we got to all have our guilty pleasures, right? So, as always, give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and remember one thing, never trust a skinny cook. Hey, and the kids will love it too.